Today's lexical chunk was inspired by a student discussing his very sporty family. He himself excels in hockey, but his mum is an incredible surfer. She's been surfing ever since she was a little girl. And although he acknowledges that his mum is a very skilled surfer and a better surfer than him, he still thinks he's good enough at surfing to give her a run for her money. If you say that you can give someone or something a run for their money, you mean that although this other person or thing is skilled at what they do, you're still good enough to challenge them effectively. You might not win, but you're good enough to hold your own against them. You're good enough to put up a good fight against them and surprise them. You'll make it hard for them to win. You won't make winning easy. For example, the underdog surprised everyone by giving the champion a run for his money.